Hey beauts, it's Lisshaaleah Beauty and we're back with the new full face tutorial. Let's go. If you're new here, welcome. Check out the Lisshaaleah Beauty playlist so you can get caught up on any old videos that you missed. And if you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Now let's finally get into this full face glam. Okay, so the brows are almost finished. They're filled in, look a little messy, look a little thick. We're gonna go in, what I like to do is go in with my primer. It is Smashbox Photo Finish Centering Citrus Primer Water. Okay, love it. Been using it for a while since it came out. I'm gonna go and spray my face and put on foundation. So let's get to it. Or my pores are really big and I feel like I'm gonna sweat in those places that you know you sweat on your face, I like to put TATCHA Silk Skin Canvas primer on. Looks like this around the areas that I feel like I'm gonna sweat, which is my face loves to sweat. Nose, right at the hairline, above the lip, not as much under the chin, not as much as you would say like here. Some people sweat behind their ear. It's always right at the hairline, right at the tip of my nose, not even the edges, the tip, and then it goes out to the edges, and then right above the lip, and preferably right here it starts sweating. So it's like, so I like to apply this, so let's go ahead and apply that. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. It is MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 color NW47. I'm going to go with this before I finish up my eyebrows. So let's go. I like to go in with an oval brush and just smooth it all out. concealer on my eyes, same color. I used to put a lighter color. I'm just out of it right now, so I'm going to use this color on my eyes to create a base. So let's do this. If you want to know specifically why I use this brush, which is not a blending kind type of brush, you can head over to my eyebrow tutorial for beginners, and I explain everything about my eyebrows and the things I use on my eyes. There should be a link up above. Now, once again, big brush. Now we're going to go on to the eyes. So I totally did a video and I didn't save it, so I'm so sorry. So you see one eye done. So what I was saying is that I'm going to fill around with Huda Beauty, the first Obsession palettes with my one eye. And that we're going to go into warm brown obsessions because I want some nudes, I want some reds, and I want some browns. So I went in with this brush and now I'm just going to blend it out. Now, I know it sounds crazy, but I almost want to go in the crease with a matte white and almost do an ombre look with this. So let's see if we can accomplish that. Alright. Okay. So now we're dealing with Obsession Mauve and Warm Brown. I'm going to dip between colors, and of course, I'll put what I'm using up above. Let's see. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay. Tell me you ain't loving it. Wait till I blend it out. Boom. How you like me now? What did I tell you about that matte, about that white look? Look at that. Okay, so after my mini breakdown there, let me just get what I'm getting. So let's do next liner and lashes, and of course I will put what I'm using above, so make sure you're paying attention. All right, let's get into it. Beige. Boo boo. Wait till this final look. Okay, I just like to spray my face with setting powder when I finish my foundation and eyes. This is a new thing I started. I find it, I'm a sweater, so it kind of sets it more before everything starts piling on. And I use MORPHE Continuous Mist. It is basically done, but thank God Sephora's having a sale. Not on this, but they're having a sale. It drove me to their site and I ordered a new one. So let's do this. Lashes. Putting on lashes for me is still by far the most tedious part of makeup. New lashes, yeah, sometimes they go on like flawless. Reusable. So I take a dry wand and I just brush my eyelashes down, because they're not straight and long, they're curly. So just to brush them down. And I'm using VELOUR Adhesive in black. I do have their clear one as well. I love both. But because I have black liner on today, black it is. See what I mean? last but not least, the contour with NARS Concealer. If you want more information on the products used, hit my description below. Everything will be there. And that is it, folks. Lisshaaleah Beauty out.